In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat Pro. We'll go step by step so you can quickly mark important sections in a PDF and keep your notes clear and easy to revisit. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give it a moment to load, especially if it's the first time you've opened it today. Once it's up, open the PDF you want to work with. You can do this from the home screen by choosing File and then Open, or by dragging your PDF into the Acrobat window. Take a second to confirm you're in Adobe Acrobat Pro, since that's where these tools are easiest to find. With your document open, move your mouse over the text you want to highlight. Click and drag across the words or sentences to select them. You'll see the selection appear with a subtle background indicating which text is active. If you can't select the text, it might be part of an image rather than real text. In that case, zoom in and try a different section, or check that your cursor is the standard text selection cursor rather than the hand tool. Zoom controls can help you be precise when highlighting just the right phrase. As soon as you finish selecting, a small floating toolbar should appear right next to your cursor or just above the selection. This mini menu is designed to speed up common actions without moving your mouse far. If it doesn't pop up immediately, try reselecting the text or waiting a moment. It usually appears as soon as Acrobat recognizes the selection. On that little toolbar, look for the highlight icon, which looks like a marker pen. Click it once. The change is instant. Your selected text will turn yellow, indicating it's now highlighted. Click anywhere outside the selection to deselect and review the result. If you made a mistake, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo. You can repeat the same select and click flow throughout the document to build a clean set of highlights. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. If you want a different color, select the highlight after it's applied and look for color options to adjust it so your notes can follow a consistent system. To remove a highlight, select it and delete. And don't forget to save your document as you go. Use Ctrl+S or Command+S to make sure your highlights are preserved for the next time you open the file. That's it. You've learned the simplest, most direct way to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat Pro.